Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to download Minecraft, dream it, build it on your device. Firstly, start by opening the digital store on your device. For iPhone or iPad, open the App Store, and for Android, of course, Google Play Store. Now in the store search bar, type Minecraft, then tap search. Look for the official version published by Mojang Studios. Now, if you don't have a Minecraft yet, tap Get or Install, and if you already have it, you'll see an update button. Now, once downloaded or updated is complete, tap Open from the store, or find Minecraft on your home screen or app drawer, then tap to launch it. And that's it, you're now ready to build, explore and play the latest version of Minecraft on your phone device. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.